Sunny days are heading our way. The all-new Sesame Place theme park in San Diego is opening on March 26th. Hello, I'm Tyler Carter, Vice President of Operations, and we can't wait to welcome you. We pulled together some tips to help you plan and make the most of your visit. Save time by purchasing your season passes or tickets online. Season passes include unlimited admission plus unbeatable benefits, including parking, guest tickets, in-park discounts, and more. You can find full details on our website. Next, you'll want to visit sesameplace.com to help you plan out your day before you visit and download the new mobile app to navigate the park. There's all kinds of helpful information on the app, like show times, attraction requirements, and most importantly, where and when you can meet your Sesame Street friends throughout the day. When you walk through the front gate at Sesame Place, you'll find yourself in the Sesame Street neighborhood. Here you can explore Hooper's store, Abby Cadabby's garden, and the iconic 1-2-3 Stoop. Take a virtual bike race at the bike shop, pop some bubbles at the laundromat, and don't forget to stop by Big Bird's Nest to say hi. There are many ways to make your visit even more memorable, including private cabanas, magic queues, and reserved seating. All of these upgrades are available on our website or can be purchased in the Sesame Place mobile app. The whole family can enjoy our exciting rides together. From our Super Grover themed roller coaster to the Sunny Day Carousel, there's something for everyone. Keep in mind, some rides have height requirements and smaller riders may need to ride with an older companion. Boarding requirements are available on our website, the Sesame Place mobile app, and at each ride entrance. Sesame Place San Diego also has splashy water rides and slides for kids of all ages, a lazy river, and a family-friendly wave pool. We have changing rooms and outdoor showers available, so don't forget to bring your water gear. And you don't want to miss the award-winning Sesame Street Party Parade. This colorful parade features fantastic floats and high-energy music, plus performers moving and grooving with their Sesame Street friends. This is a guest favorite and a must-do during your visit to the park. Be sure to visit our website, join our email list, and follow us on social media to stay up to date with the latest Sesame Place San Diego news. We'll see you real soon.